Hey there, and thanks for stopping by. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you exactly how to change the color scheme in PyCharm on a Windows 10 computer. Whether you're looking for a dark theme, light mode, or just something new for your coding environment, this video has you covered. First, open your PyCharm editor on your Windows 10 PC. Next, look to the top right corner of the window and click on the Settings icon. Select Settings to open the configuration window. In the Settings window, find and click on Editor on the left sidebar. Then click on Color Scheme. Click on General to access the main color settings. Find the drop-down menu next to the Scheme label. Click the list and browse the available color schemes. Once you select a theme, you'll see a preview at the bottom. If you're satisfied with the look, click Apply, then OK to confirm. And that's how you can customize your PyCharm editor's appearance. A new color scheme can make coding easier on your eyes and more enjoyable. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.